Welcome to day 9 of your 30-day meditation journey. Today's theme, breath as an anchor. We'll root our awareness into each in-breath and out-breath to steady the mind and find calm in motion. Find a comfortable seat, cross-legged on a cushion or on a chair with feet grounded. Let your spine be tall and relax your shoulders. Rest your hands gently in your lap or on your thighs. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a long, slow inhale through the nose and a gentle exhale through the mouth. Allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. Notice its depth. Notice its pace. No need to change anything. Just observe. Imagine your breath as an anchor, firm, reliable, holding you steady in the present moment. With every inhale, the anchor descends, rooting you to here and now. With every exhale, the anchor draws up, lifting tension away. Let's deepen that anchor. Begin to follow the sensation of the inhale at the nostrils. Feel the cool air entering your body. Trace its path into your chest. Then into your belly. Now follow the exhale. Feel warmth at the nostrils. Feel your chest and belly softly contract. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to this anchor of breath. You might say silently, in, anchor, out, release. Let's practice together. Inhale, anchor. Exhale, release. Again, inhale, anchor. Exhale, release. One more time. Inhale, anchor. Exhale, release. Now continue on your own. I'll guide you back in a moment. Gently notice your natural breath again. No labels, no counting, just flow. Observe how you feel. Your mind more settled, your body more at ease. Take one deep inhale to seal this practice. And a long, peaceful exhale to release any final tension. When you're ready, open your eyes or lift your gaze. Thank you for joining day 9, breath as an anchor. Carry this anchor into your day. I'll see you tomorrow, right here on Mindforge. Take care. Bye-bye.